Good morning, children. I hope y'all are keeping safe at home and studying properly. We were going through chapter 5, sense organs, in which we have 5 sense organs, and they are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. We have studied about eyes, ears, and nose. Today we will continue with our tongue. So, what our tongue helps us to do? It helps us to taste different things. Whatever we eat have different taste, and we can taste it with the help of the tongue. Our tongue also helps us to speak and sing. There are different tastes like sweet, salty, sour, bitter, spicy, etc. Now you will be thinking, what are these tastes? So, do you eat mangoes which is available now? Yes, it is sweet. Cake, pastry, chocolates, all are sweet in taste. Now, salty. What is salty? The things like potato chips, snacks, popcorns, salted pistachio, that is salted even kaju, they are all salty because salt is there in it. Now, what is sour? So, you know lemon? How is the taste of lemon? Is it sweet? Do you like eating it up? No, that is sour in taste. Even the raw mangoes, that is kacha aam, that is also sour. Now, let's move to bitter taste. So, children, when your mother asks you to take medicine when you are not well, that time, do you like taking medicines? Yes? No? Yes, you don't like taking because the taste is different, which you don't like to taste. So, that taste is bitter. It is neither salty nor sour, but it has a special taste which we don't like to have. Even some people find the taste of coffee also bitter, and bottle gourd, that is Karela, it also has bitter taste. Now let's move to spicy. What is spicy? Seeing the picture of chilies only, you can understand a food in which spice is there, chili is there, that food is spicy, like paneer chilli, pasta, Maggi, etc. Now, let's go through our chapter. Here you can see Simi loves the sweet taste of grapes. So, Simi likes eating sweet grapes. Other fruits are also sweet, which you like eating. Now, in the next picture, Abhay does not like the bitter taste of medicines. Like you, Abhay also don't like the taste of medicine because it is bitter. Now, in the next picture, you can see Kriti is fond of sour drinks such as the lemonade. Here, you can see children, Kriti likes the taste of lemonade, which is sour in taste. What is lemonade? It is a drink which is made with the help of lemon. So, children, you have seen different people have different taste. What is your taste? What do you like eating most? Now, let's move to our next part, that is skin. Our last sense organ is the sense of touch, that is our skin. We feel and touch things through our skin. The skin is that part which covers our whole body. Now, when you want to touch and see whether the water is hot or cold, what do? You dip your finger inside the water to find out whether it is hot or cold. So, your hand also helps. We can find different things with the help of our skin, like we can know whether the surface is smooth or rough, or the water or anything else is hot or cold, and even we can feel whether the thing is soft or hard with the help of our hands. Here you can see in the picture Anuj's hands are feeling cold on holding a glass of ice cold water. Why is he feeling cold in his hand? Because he is holding a glass which is having very cold water. On the other hand, if the glass has hot water or hot milk, Anuj might have felt hot. And in the next picture, you can see Subha likes the soft feel of her teddy bear. Do you have a teddy bear? Do you like the soft feeling of your teddy bear or any other soft toys? Yes, you like it up. I know. So here we came to the end of the chapter. Next day we will again recall the chapter and will start our exercises. Till then, read the chapter, learn hard words, take care. Thank you.